Alexi.
And I'm Arie.
We got a special request to make cookies.
So we're gonna make thumbprint cookies. You will need softened, unsalted butter, sugar, brown sugar, 1 egg yolk, vanilla extract, flour, cornstarch, salt, and jam or jelly. First, combine the butter, sugar, and brown sugar in the stand mixer and mix well. Next, add the egg yolk only and the vanilla extract into the bowl. In a separate bowl, add the flour, cornstarch, and salt and mix them all together. After the dry ingredients are mixed well, combine them with the wet ingredients a little at a time. Mix until the dry ingredients are blended with the wet ingredients. Put a sheet of wax paper on the pan. Now we could use a regular spoon, or we have a mini ice cream scooper to scoop out about a tablespoon of dough. We gently roll the dough into a ball. Then get a small bowl of sugar and roll the ball into the sugar. This is optional. After the dough is rolled into a ball, use a smaller spoon or your thumb to make a small print in the cookie that's big enough to put in the jam or jelly. When you are finished rolling and making the prints in the dough, you can put the jam or jelly in the middle. If the jam or jelly is too hard, you could put it in the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. This helps make the jam or jelly softer. Now fill your cookies. When you are finished filling them, put the cookies in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. After the cookies have been in the freezer for 30 minutes, put the cookies on a parchment-lined pan, about 2 inches apart. Now bake the cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 12 minutes until they are light golden brown. Let them cool and enjoy! Super duper yummy.
Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe.